Yes, now we have to discuss the half-yearly examination, class 11th, subject accountancy. This is the question paper of केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, टाइम अलाउड 3 hours. Maximum marks 80. Instructions. This question paper contains 34 questions. All questions are compulsory. All parts of the question should be attempted at one place. The question 1 to 20 carries 1 marks each. Question number 21 to 26 carries 3 marks each. 27 to 29 carries 4 marks each. 30 to 34 carries 6 marks each. There is no overall choice. However, an internal choice has been provided in the 7th question of 1 mark, 2 question of 3 mark, 1 question of 4 marks and 2 question of 6 marks. चलिए start करते हैं. First of all, this one, which is the last step of accounting as a process of information. Question number 2, assertion, a reason. A bookkeeping involves summarizing classification transaction in the form of profit and loss account of the balance sheet. Bookkeeping is an art of recording of books and accounts of the monetary aspect of the financial transaction. It is concerned with the record keeping or the maintenance of the book of accounts. Question number 3, out of the following asset which is not an intangible asset, or current assets do not include. Question number 4, use the common unit for measurement of common format of reporting promotes. Question number 5, the proprietor of the firm records the premium of his life insurance as an expense in a book of films. Of which accounting principle has been violated? Question number 6, according to the principle of prudence. Question number 6 के और में, the convention of conservation takes into accounts. Question number 7, the concept that a business enterprise will not sold liquidated in the near future is known as. Question number 8, according to the Companies Act 2013, all the companies are required to maintain their accounts according to. Or identify the GST applicable in case X Limited sell goods from Agra to a vendor in Prayagraj. Read the following hypothetical situation. Answer the question 9 to 10. Sobit has trading business in Delhi. All transactions occur within the limits of Delhi. Sobit bought goods of 1 lakh on credit. He sold them for 1,35,000 in the same state of on credit. Amount of GST, CGST at 5%, SGST at 5%. You are required to answer the following question. By what amount will the creditor account will be credited for the purchase of 1 lakh? Question number 10. He sold them for 1,35,000 in the same state on credit. By what amount will the debtors be debited from while passing journal entry? Question number 11. Jet commenced business 1st April 2021. Capital of 12 lakhs on 31st March 2022. His asset was 16 lakhs and liabilities was 1 lakh. Find out the closing capital. Or which of the following transaction will reduce the capital? Question number 12. A sole trader took goods of costing 1,000 from the stock his on use. The normal selling price of the goods is 1,500. Which of the following general entries would correctly record this? Question number 13. A deposit of the cash in bank is recorded in. Question number 14. If XYZ is electronics limited purchase 20 TV are at rate of 2,000 per piece and 15 tape recorders are at 12,500 per piece, there is a trade discount of 20%. What will be the amount recorded in the purchase book? Now we have come to the question number 15. The term impressed system is used in relation to, or the total of sale book is posted to. Question number 16. A separate column of debit note no is made in case of. Question number 17. Bank reconciliation statement is started with. Or unfavorable bank balance means. Question number 18. Cash book shows 1,000 as overdrawn. When bank statement is received, it was identified that one of the debtors has deposited 400 into the account and bank charges of 20 rupees had been debited into the account. Balance as per the bank statement will be. Question number 19. The difference between the cash book and the bank passbook is caused by question number 19 ka or a bank reconciliation statement is prepared by. Question number 20. If the overdraft as per the passbook is taken as a starting point, the checks issued but not presented are to be in the blank reconciliation statement. Question number 21st. Explain the meaning of any three of the following terms. Question number 22. Explain any three objectives of account, or define the accounting. Explain the 2 limitations of accounting. Question number 23. Define accounting standards. Explain any 2 limitations. Question number 24. The following balance existed in a book of Rohit Traders as 1st April 2022. Assets, liabilities यहाँ पर दी गई हैं. pass on opening entry. Pass the opening entry. Question number 25. What do you understand by the impressed amount in the petty cash book? Question number 26. State the cause of differences occurred due to the time lag. And 3. Or explain the briefly and 3 points regarding the need of importance of the preparing of a bank reconciliation statement. Question number 27. So the effect of the following transaction on the account equation. Question number 28. In a financial year 2021-22, the Aman earned total this revenue 6,90,000, out of which 4,70,000 were received in cash. Total expenses paid by him were 4,40,000, out of which 20,000 pertains to 2022. The expenses of 30,000 are still outstanding. Determine the Aman's income for this year. Cash basis of account, accrual basis of account. Question number 29. From the following information, Ms. Jindal Furniture Kolkata prepare the purchase book of for the month of this. ठीक है, डेट एंड डिटेल्स आपको दी गई हैं, यू कैन सी फ्रॉम हियर. और फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग पर्टिकुलर सेल्स बुक राज एंड कंपनी कोलकाता deals in furniture. This was the details you can see from here. Now we have come to the question number 30. Explain the qualitative characteristics of accounting information. Explain the following accounting concepts: dual aspect concept, consistency concept, business entity concept, or difference occurred accrual basis of the accounting and the cash basis of accounting. Prepare the double column cash book for the following transaction. Ms. Lisa company month of January 2022. ठीक है, this was the details you can see from here. Now we have come to the question number 33. Generalize the following transaction in the book of Aman Brothers. 200 due from the Mohit are now bad debts. Good worth of 4,000 were used for property year. Charge depreciation at 10% per annum for 2 months of machine of costing rupees 60,000. Provide the interest of capital 1,50,000 at 6% per annum for 9 months. Rent outstanding 1,000. Received of 1,200 for bad debts written of last year. Now we have come to the question number 34. From the following particulars, prepare a bank reconciliation statement as on the 31st January 2022. 31st January 2022, cash form showed a bank balance of the 6,000 debit balance. Checks has been issued 5,000, of which checks worth 400 only were presented for payment. Checks were 12,000 were deposited in the bank 28th January 2022, but check of 10,600 were only credited by the bank. Yes, fourth, a check from Shashan for rupees 400 were deposited in the bank of 26 January 2022, but dishonored, and the advice was received on 2nd February 2022. Passbook showed the bank charges of this, receipt of side this and by understand by the 500. ठीक है, और यहाँ की स्टेटमेंट्स आप देख सकते हैं, यू कैन सी फ्रॉम हियर. ऑन 31st July 2022, पासबुक ऑफ मिस्टर अनिल शोड द क्रेडिट बैलेंस ऑफ 7 दिस. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पर्टिकुलर्स प्रिपेयर अ बैंक रिकंसिलिएशन स्टेटमेंट. ठीक है, यू हैव टू सी द दीज इंस्ट्रक्शंस. ठीक है, चलिए, दिस वाज द क्वेश्चन पेपर ऑफ द अकाउंटेंसी क्लास 11th. This is the question paper of half yearly examination, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. That's enough for this one. Thank you.